Okay, so the next restriction type is restrict by file type. So every file of that file type will be restricted from a specific user or user roles. And how to do that? Come to File Access Manager and restrict by file type tab. And then require login field will be selected to yes, this file type is restricted. And then restrict by. As I have mentioned earlier, there are two roles here, users and user roles. If you select users and the access type is selected to allow, then you can put the users here. For example, if I put my name here, then for me this file is allowed, or for this user this file is allowed. Or if I put disallow, then for this user this file type will be disallowed. And if I choose user roles and put the user roles like administrator here and keep allow, then this file type will be allowed only for the administrators. And if I choose disallow, then this file will be disallowed or restricted for administrators. This is for image and PNG. There are other types as well, JPG, PDF, and so on. And after that, click on Save Settings. Now, a specific file type like PNG will be disallowed from administrator, or I can put here customer. Then this PNG file type will be disallowed from customers. So that is how you can restrict by a specific file type.